Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Kroll Settlement Administration. So Kroll is basically a legit company that is a leader in a complex settlement administration, providing an end-to-end expertise for class functions. So today we're going to find out if it actually a true email that most of people have recently got from the Kroll that they are providing a settlement and the company is paying actually $177 million. So as you can see on this news website, if you have an AT&T account, and you may get a cashback in AT&T data breach settlement, because if your data was breached in some certain amount of time, then you can actually get it. And here is the time duration. Came following to large data breaches announced in March and July 2024 that exposed customers' private information such as social security number, address, and all that. So if you were being a part of that breach, your data might have got lost. So in that case, you can actually ask Kroll company for the settlement, and you can get a part of settlement for your data breach. So in conclusion, I would say, based on the information provided on internet and based on the company's reputation, this settlement is pretty much an accurate and authentic, and you should go for it. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.